What just happened?
I don't know.
You're a coconut?
Yes.
I feel sleepy. Only if you were not sick. Annoying.
I hope you will live in a house.
Why did you wake me up?
I hope you live in a house made out of gun.
Do that again. Can I be coconut?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Where are you cooking up?
Corn.
I wonder if there's more beautiful thing than this.
I wonder if I can get more chunky. Yum. What is that child doing? Child, you're suspicious. What are you doing? Are you trying to get my ankles?
This is the most beautiful. Now what are you doing? Why are you trying to bite on my ankles? What are you doing? I'm gonna run.
अच्छा लग रहा है तो यार मुझे he's literally 1 cookies literally 2.5 को like मुझे फिल्म करो मुझे रिकॉर्ड करो cookies like no मुझे रिकॉर्ड करो I look more beautiful than you I'm more fat what the I'm more chunky I didn't say fat I'm gonna fat shame you. You are fatter than a dinosaur. Well, a dinosaur isn't even fat. Dinosaur is fatter than and he eats all of the monkey's meat. They still look a lot skinny.
No.
I'm gonna give that corn. I'm gonna
Sophie, tell me.
Oh my God.